Hello programmers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about serving static files in Node.js using Express library. So when we talk about serving static files in Node.js, we mean serving files such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and other files that doesn't often change. ExpressJS is one of the most popular web frameworks for Node.js, and it makes serving static files a very easy task. To serve static files using ExpressJS, the first thing we need to do is create an ExpressJS application. So let's head towards our Visual Studio Code to see how it is done. So first of all, in my root directory, I will create a src folder, and inside the src folder, I want to create a JavaScript file named as index.js. So all of my server codes are going to be in this file index.js, and we want to install express.js package in our project. So to do that, we will have to initialize npm in our project. To initialize npm in our project, let's head towards our terminal and type in npm init. So it is asking for some of the options to name the package name. We don't want to do it right now, and you can also skip this part. And what it did is it actually created a package.json in our root directory like this, and npm is used to track all of the dependencies that we are going to install or we have installed in this project. So to install express.js, we want to type in npm install express save. So this is going to install Express in our project. You can see the Express dependency is listed here as soon as it was installed. So now we can use Express all over our project. To use Express, we can say const express equals to require express, and then we want to do const app is equals to express. Now this express library is imported in our index.js file. We'll be able to use express library to create servers. Now what we want to do is we want to make a basic endpoint. So basic endpoint which will be slash, okay, actually dot create slash, then run a function whenever someone hits to that endpoint, and this function is just going to say res dot send hello world. Actually this function takes two parameters, those are request and response. Bit of a typo here, but no problem. And then to finally start the server, what we want to do is we want to say app.listen, and whatever the port number is, and then a function that runs whenever the server is started. So let's say console dot log server is started on port 8000. So with these 11 lines of code, we have actually created a basic server and an endpoint too. So to start this server, We want to go to the terminal again, and then change directory to source, and then say node index index.js maybe. I don't know, let's see what's the problem at it. So app send. Okay, so it would have worked. I will start it. Do that again. Okay, we haven't saved that file yet, so let's go to localhost 8000 and that /endpoint. So it is rendering hello world, so that means our server is finally working. Now we have to serve a static file into our server instead of rendering this hello world. So for that I want to create another folder in our root directory called public. This public directory includes all of the HTML and CSS that we want to serve using ExpressJS. So first of all, let us make index.html, and then another one called style.css. First of all, let me make a basic HTML file in which we want to just render out welcome to our Express server. So then I also want to link style.css. so for that I want to say style.css, and then for the styling part I want to say h1 and make the background color red. So we want to serve this HTML file in style.css using our ExpressJS server. So to do that, we want to do app.use and express.static, and then we want to do /public. So let's see express.static public, and then we also want to set an endpoint on which this file is going to be served. So let's say static. So whenever someone hits /static endpoint, the file is going to be served in that endpoint. So let's test it out. To test it out, we have to restart our server. And see, it has been restarted. And this is static. Okay, finally our HTML file has been served using ExpressJS, and it only took 13 lines of code, so it is so easy. So that's it. Serving static file in Node.js using ExpressJS is very easy. If you are interested in learning more about ExpressJS, be sure to check out our other videos and also do subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.